All right, so medical tourism. Tell me about this. What is medical tourism?
It's scary. That's what it is, because you don't know what you're getting, and sometimes there have been terrible consequences. Everybody's seen or heard of patients who've really been harmed. Sometimes
So
even
the
died.
idea here is that people from the United States are going to other places to get a lower price on an elective procedure, right?
Right.
And so how have you experienced this?
You know, in Nashville, we don't have a huge proportion of patients who have gone for medical tourism. I have some patients that have gone to other cities, and I've followed them up, but their surgeons did a great job, and their complications were very normal. But in residency, when I was training in Houston, we saw some real disasters. Injections in the buttocks going mad.
Right. So, in Florida, I see this all the time, unfortunately. We also have the problem, in addition to people traveling to third world countries to have lower cost cosmetic surgery done and coming back to Florida with terrible complications, we also have the problem of itinerant surgeons, where we have these guys from South America that don't have a medical license in the United States, and they fly into Miami for a weekend, have a bunch of people meet at somebody's house and inject God knows what into their bodies. And then these poor women are looking for guys like us to help them fix the problem. So it's been a lot.
I mean, message to patients is do your homework,
Be careful and understand that, the treatment itself, or the 2 hours that you're in the operating room, that's really just the beginning of the journey. And you really need care afterwards by a responsible person to get the best outcome and be safe. Right?
And this is a huge deal. People shouldn't be looking for discounts.
Right, exactly. You're making an investment, and you want to, this is your health. It's healthcare at the end of the day.
Absolutely. So better off just not doing it if you, if you're...
Save your pennies, right?
Exactly.
Save your pennies, make smart decisions.
Do it right.
Be happy with the first one.
Anesthesia, too, is not just the surgeon.
No,
anesthesia.
It takes a village.
Yeah, so that's super important.
Absolutely. So be careful out there, and for more information, please visit theplasticsurgerychannel.com.